Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring connectivity and having your Google credentials ready. This saves time. Once connected to Wi-Fi, unlock your iPhone and open Settings. Make sure you know whether you use two-step verification so you can fetch codes if prompted. Then scroll to Passwords and Accounts or Mail depending on iOS version. This step begins Account Edition, and you'll see Add Account. Tap it to reveal account types. By starting here, you skip unnecessary setup and move immediately into adding Google. You'll tap Google from the list, then enter your email and password when prompted. This is where authentication happens. Make sure to read the permission prompts and allow mail, contacts, calendars, and notes if you want full sync. If you use two-step verification, check your Authenticator app or SMS for the code and enter it now. If you use an app password, paste it instead of your main password. Once Google confirms, the account links to iPhone, and you can choose sync options. You'll finish by selecting what to sync: mail, contacts, calendars, notes, and tapping save. Then open the mail or calendar apps to confirm your messages and events populate. Make sure refresh settings are what you want. If something fails, check your password and network first, then visit your Google account security to see blocked sign in attempts or required app passwords. If two-step is the issue, generate a new code or use an app password. Restarting the phone can resolve lingering sync glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.